Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today in this video we'll see the small demo of Lingvanex Translator. Lingvanex Translator is an translator app which is available for macOS, Windows, iOS and Android. You can use it in mobile applications and desktop also. And the Lingvanex software, as we know, available in more than 100 languages. With the Lingvanex, you can translate text, voice, images, web pages, and documents. So let's have a look. So here I opened the Lingvanex software. To translate a text, I'm copying just some text and just to paste here. I'm translating it from English to German. So as we can see, this translated the text which I have pasted there. Now I'm going to select another language. So more than 100 languages are available in Lingvanex software. So now I have selected the Hindi, and as you can see, this is translated in Hindi from English. You can also translate images, document file, and your website through any URL. So I'm going to show you a demo of a document file. I have one sample file which is available in PDF. I've selected it. Now as you can see, it is converting the file. So you can see here this file has been translated from English to Hindi, and let me show you my file which was available in English. So this was the file. It was available in English, and as you can see the result, this file has been translated to Hindi. Now again come to the software. You can translate any website from the Lingvanex software. You just need to put your URL of particular website. Now let me copy the URL and now paste it here. So as you can see the result, the whole website is translated to English to Hindi. As you can see here, my website is translated to Hindi. Now I'm selecting German. So in the result, the website is translated to German. So you can also translate your website, any web page you want to translate through Lingvanex software. Easily you can translate it. Here are some options available. Agent, so it will just minimize your screen. Just type whatever you want to translate and it will translate. As I am showing, this is British, so it's translated in German. Now come back to the software. From new, you can open a new fresh page. When you are going to click on open, so from open you can open any file like document, image, whatever you want to translate. From save option, you can save it into the desired format. Print option is available. You can select the font theme, font size, style. You can bold it, italic, and underline option is also available. You can set alignment of your particular translated file from this option only. Lingvanex is providing you all the option at one place. You don't need to translate. You don't need to go on MS Word or anywhere. Here is the dictionary available. From any word you can select, and this will show you some sentence and some related word to your dictionary. You can check here. So let's see. This is showing some sentence which is using the word the. and the some other related word. Another option is history. So in history you can check whatever you have translated previously. And from bookmark option you can bookmark any translated text which you have translated previous, so for the next time you can directly search them in bookmark option. Now there is setting option. There are some option: voice speed, translated selected text, synchronize bookmarks. Then come to the offline mode. So you can download and use it for the offline mode also. You can download any language for offline mode. If you are not having internet and you want to use it for the offline, so you can select that one. And here is some information of your account. So this was complete small demo of LingmaNext software. If you have any query and doubt, so you can directly comment. Thanks for watching.